Now, I would invite Karthik Guleria, a student of class 6th B, to share some maths facts with us. Namaste, Karthik.
Namaste, I am Karthik Guleria of class 6th. Today I am going to share an interesting sequence of numbers. That is Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is the sequence of numbers where the two previous numbers are added together to get the next number. For example, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 5 is equal to 7, and 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. The Fibonacci sequence converges on the golden ratio when you divide a pair of numbers from the sequence. The result will get closer to the actual value of the golden ratio. That is 1.618. Now, the interesting fact of this sequence is the spiral shapes of sunflower, snails, and shells follow this sequence. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Karthik.